Hey there, adventurers. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best travel tips and tricks. Today, we're going to show you how to plan an epic trip to Paris on a budget. Let's dive in. How to plan a trip to Paris on a budget. Planning a trip to Paris on a budget? Here's how. Research, find the best deals and discounts. Travel during the off-peak season for lower prices. Opt for budget airlines or consider alternative transportation options. How to go to Paris on a budget. So, how to go to Paris on a budget? Let's find out. Look for affordable flight tickets by comparing prices online. Consider taking a train or bus if it's a viable option. Save on transportation by walking or using a bike-sharing service. Where to stay in Paris on a budget. Finding accommodation that won't break the bank? Here's where to stay in Paris on a budget. Consider staying in budget-friendly hostels or guest houses. Look for accommodations outside the city center for lower rates. Check out vacation rentals or Airbnb options for cost-effective stays. How to eat in Paris on a budget. Hungry? Let's talk about how to eat in Paris on a budget. Enjoy the delicious local street food in food markets. Opt for affordable cafes and bistros for tasty yet budget-friendly meals. Picnic in beautiful parks while savoring French delicacies. Where to eat in Paris on a budget. Craving more? Discover where to eat in Paris on a budget. Explore student areas for affordable yet scrumptious eats. Seek out local bakeries for fresh and affordable pastries. Ask locals for their favorite budget-friendly restaurants. How to dress in Paris on a budget. Ready to look fabulous in Paris without spending a fortune? Here's how. Pack versatile clothing items that you can mix and match. Shop at thrift stores or local markets for unique and affordable fashion. Embrace the French chic style with simple yet classy outfits. And that's a wrap, adventurers. We hope you enjoyed our tips on planning an unforgettable trip to Paris on a budget. Remember, the City of Lights has endless adventures waiting for you, no matter your budget. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more exciting travel content. Until next time, happy travels.